I'm gonna share my screen with you guys.
Hi, Kashif.
Hi.
I'm sorry I joined a little bit late. I have some questions before the class begins. So I was just wondering, how long is the session and how many hours a day are you going to be having the session?
Okay. Uh, Let me give you those details. Let me share my screen first.
Okay.
Okay. I hope you guys can see my screen, right? Everyone.
Yes, Gus.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the session is at 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. Okay. 7 to 8 a.m. IST, which is Salome. I think you are in Eastern time zone.
Yes.
So that will be 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. EST, Eastern time.
Okay.
Okay. So we are doing Monday to Friday. Salome, or those who are in US, it will be Sunday to Thursday. Okay.
Okay.
This training will go maximum 35 days. Okay, 30 to 35 days maximum. We will complete all the course content within 35 days, daily 1 hour session. Okay. Any other question? Salome?
What about the cost?
I will let you know on the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Now we are going to discuss about lab setup. So basically, um, each one of you will have to set up your own practical lab. So what do you need? Basically, you need a computer. Okay. You need either a desktop or a laptop, and that has to be Windows, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay. So we need a computer. Each one of you needs to have either Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And on that computer, we will create a virtual machine. Virtual machine. And that will be Windows virtual machine. Okay. And this machine we will be enrolling to Intune. We will be enrolling that machine. This is a VM, right? And that machine we will enroll into Intune. Now, what will be the configuration of your laptop or desktop? So your configuration, you need to have minimum 6 GB RAM, 4-core processor. And minimum 100 GB free hard disk space. Okay. You have to have. Okay. Clear? So anyone who do not have this configuration, let me know. You understood the requirement, each one of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we do, please.
How will you check whether you have this requirement or not? I mean this configuration. So on your computer, each one of you, you can search system information. Okay. You can click on this search system information. When you open that one, that's going to show you the operating system name, whether it is Windows 10 or Windows 11. For me, it is Windows 11 Home. So similarly, you will have either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Second thing you have to check is the processor. So basically, how many logical processors you have. For me, I have 8 core processor, 8 logical processor. So similarly, you have to check whether you have at least 4 uh, logical processor minimum. Okay, that's the minimum requirement. After that, you have to check the RAM, that is installed physical memory. So for me, I have 32 gigabyte RAM. You need to have minimum 6 gigabyte or 8 gigabyte. If you have minimum 6 gigabyte, that is okay. If you have more than that, that is um, well and good. Okay. So this is how you can check your computer operating system, processor, and installed physical memory, RAM. Now, how will you check the hard disk space? How much space is available in your computer? So for that, you need to open a folder, File Explorer. Okay. And then you have at the left hand side, you have this PC, right? When you click on this PC, you will get the drives. So I got 2 drives, C drive and D drive. So I have 75.9 gigabyte in free, 13.9 gigabyte free space in C drive, which is very less because minimum 100 GB is required. So I cannot utilize C drive. I will have to use D drive because in D drive I have more than 100 gigabyte available. That is 124 gigabyte free space. Okay. So there are these requirements. Requirement number 1, you need to have a computer with Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system with minimum 6 GB RAM, quad core processor, and minimum 100 gigabyte free hard disk space. And you need to have a mobile phone, which each one of you already will have it. A mobile, either Android or iOS. Okay. So we will enroll this device as well to Intune. So we will be enrolling the virtual machine, the Windows virtual machine, which we will create on your laptop or desktop, and mobile phone, so that we can manage them through Intune.
My phone is already having in my organization policies, then we
Okay.
can again.
You can use any of your family members' phone to
No, I'm not
enroll.
having the spare phone over here.
Okay, that's okay, but so you will not be able to do the practical on your mobile phone, but you will be able to understand the concept because we will be doing practical on others' mobile. So you will be able to understand the concept. Okay. So anyone here who do not have this configuration, let me know.
Because if I'm having only 4 GB.
Sorry?
So I'm having only 4 GB RAM.
4 GB RAM.
Yeah. So apart from that, everything.
Okay. So if you do not have, then you will have to create a virtual machine on Azure data center. Do you have one more thing? Apart from this, each one of you needs to have credit card. Credit card is needed for Intune subscription. Okay, when you create your Intune subscription, Microsoft will ask you for credit card. They are not going to charge anything because we will be using the free trial one, which is for 60 days. But it needs credit card for verification. So, Santosh, you have credit card.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So if you have credit card, have you created Azure um, subscription before?
No.
Never? Okay. So you will have to create Azure subscription so that you will be able to create virtual machine on Azure portal.
So I
Okay.
have another one device. So I said, can I use that?
Sorry?
I have another one device, laptop. So can I change that?
Yeah, if any laptop which has that configuration, 6 GB RAM, 4 core processor, 100 GB free disk space.
Can a debit card serve the same purpose or must it be a credit card?
It must be a credit card. It's for verification, not they are not going to charge anything. Okay, clear? So I guess everyone has the minimum requirement to create virtual machine, right?
I have it, but I have an 8 GB RAM, but
Mm-hmm.
the physical memory says it's the available physical memory 1.4. I don't know, but I do have 201
1.4.
free
Okay,
space. I do have 201 free space for my C drive.
okay,
Is that
understood.
okay?
So that's okay. Are you have you opened many applications on your
Yeah,
computer now?
I'll have to delete some here. I have to free some space.
No, no, I'm not talking about space. Applications right now are various applications are open in your computer right now.
No,
Browser like Google Chrome browser or Edge browser.
right now, no.
Okay. So last time when you did SCCM, right?
Yes,
You did it on Azure portal or this one,
Azure Azure
Azure
portal.
Azure portal. Okay, fine. So we'll try to create virtual machine on your computer. If that does not support, then you will have to create on Azure data center.
Okay.
Now, what all things you have to download, guys? I will give you the link so that you can download. So first of all, you have to download Oracle VirtualBox. I will give you the link in the chat box right now. Wait a minute. Download Oracle VirtualBox, and then you have to go for the Windows host. Yeah, this is the one. So let me copy the link address, and I will send it to you on the chat window in Teams. Chat screen is frozen. I will reconnect. Okay. So I gave you the link, guys. I hope everyone received it.
Yes.
So each one of you need to download this application on your computer. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
That's the first requirement. Okay. I will also send this note after this training on the WhatsApp group. So download below files. Okay. So you need to download Oracle VirtualBox. That's the first thing you have to download. Second, you need to download Windows 10 ISO. Okay, I'll give you the link. So how will you download Windows 10 ISO? So in order to download Windows 10 ISO, you need to go back to the browser, and here you need to type in download Windows 10 ISO. Okay, in Google you need to type in download Windows 10 ISO. Now after you search this, you will get this link which says download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. Okay, you need to click on that one. What happened to this website is, yeah. Okay, so this is the link. Let me copy this link and put it here. So this is the link for Windows 10. Okay, let me send this as well in the Teams chat.
Kashit, it's
Okay,
showing the update now, correct? So where should we download it?
wait.
Hmm.
Okay, so now it is, the link is, the website is open. You need to click on this download tool. You see, we have create Windows 10 installation media, and you need to click on download tool now. Okay, understand the steps properly, guys, because you will have to do it yourself on your computer. So you need to click on this download tool now. Okay, when you click on this, a tool will get downloaded. Okay, you see in my computer, a tool got downloaded right here. You see at the top right hand side, media creation tool 22h2exe that got downloaded. So the tool will get downloaded. You need to click on that tool and it will ask you to allow this application. So I need to click on yes. Okay, so you need to accept the license terms and condition, accept. Okay, now there are two options available. Upgrade this PC now, and the second one says create installation media. So we have to choose the second option, this option, create installation media. Okay, and click on next. Now we have language, so we will go with the default option, English United States, edition Windows 10, right? And architecture 64-bit. So we will go with the default option. There is a checkbox which says use the recommended option for this PC. Uncheck this box. Okay. We need to uncheck this box which says use the recommended option for this PC. Right. And then we will go next. Now there are two options here, USB, flash drive, and ISO file. So we will choose the ISO one. This one. Okay. ISO. And then we will choose next. Now it will ask you to choose the location. Where will you save your ISO image file? Okay. Depends on you. Where will you save it? So if you do not have much space in C drive, then you can choose other drive like D drive if you have a D drive or E drive. So depends on you. Where will you save? For me, I'm gonna save it in on the desktop, for example. Okay. And you need to type in Windows 10.iso. I for India, S for Sam, O for Oscar. Okay. And then you need to click on save and it will start downloading. So it will take somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Depends on the internet speed you have on your computer. And then it will get downloaded. Did you guys understand the concept here? Hmm?
Yes, Kashif.
Anybody doing side by side right now?
Yes, Kasif. If I will connect with my company's Wi-Fi, so it will get enrolled directly automatically in their Intune, or it is not like that.
No, you will have to enroll. You need to download that. I mean, you have to enter the details, and then only the device will get enrolled into Intune. Got it?
Thank you. Okay.
Anybody using office laptop here? Corporate laptop or computer?
I
Yes,
am
Kashid.
using Office laptop, but I will remove it from the domain. I will be using it for as a testing purpose.
Okay, because if you are using office computer, then there will be various restrictions, and you might get into trouble as well.
Mhm.
If I will
If
remove it from the domain, then it will work, and I will format it.
okay, if you are allowed to do it, is it a test computer?
Yeah, it is a test laptop.
Okay, so if you format that machine, then it will work definitely. I don't know the policies, so you check. Better you use your personal computer. Do not use office computer, because in office computer you will have various restrictions, some policies which will not allow you to create virtual machine. Okay.
Okay.
Anybody else
Uh,
using?
Yes,
Uh,
Kashid, Rupesh also. Yeah, I'm also using this office. In fact, I cannot getting your message showing you're from the out of the organization, out of my organization, so cannot able to connect.
then it cannot connect means
Yeah, I'm not getting your the link and everything because I'm using my corporate Teams account.
oh, okay, okay. So you are not
So
getting the chat message.
yes, that links, but it's okay. I can just download it. But will it get any issue in the future also if I use this laptop?
You know, it will have various restrictions. So
Okay,
I
okay,
will not suggest you to use office computer.
okay, okay.
Use
Yeah.
your personal computer. You have personal computer?
Yes, I have, but I have to check whether the RAM and everything is sufficient for that. Maybe tomorrow I will keep it ready if possible.
Okay. So don't use office computer, guys, uh, because it will create issues. Use your personal computer. Okay. So you need to download Oracle VirtualBox and Windows 10 ISO. These are the two files you need to download in your computer. Okay.
Kasi for small work.
Yes.
This is for the configuration of the net PC only we need to do it, right? If we are having a less number of RAM, we need to do Azure, right?
Yeah. If you do not have that configuration, then you will have to create Azure account. Okay. So how will you create Azure account? Um, you need to go to the browser and type in Azure free trial. Okay. Azure free trial, and you need to click on Azure free trial, and Azure free, let me go back. This one, create your Azure free account today. Okay, so let me click on this one, the second link. Okay, and then it will ask you to start free. So you need to click on start free. Now you have to type in Let me sign in with the other account. So you will have to use Gmail account or any Microsoft account, and then 1 minute. Since I am already logged in here, that's the reason it is giving this. Let me go in incognito mode. So Azure free trial, and you need to click on this create your Azure free account today. Start free. Yeah. So you need to type in your email address. If you do not have, then you can create a new one from here. Your new email, Microsoft email, or you can type in your phone number or Skype ID, and then next. After going next, it will ask you to type in your first name, last name, your phone number, and then it will also ask you to enter your credit card details. So after entering those details, you will be able to create your Azure free account. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, one more thing which I am thinking is we have right now total 16 members here. So that will be, I'm planning to split the batch into two. Okay. So that like 8 member each batch. So I will be doing 2 sessions, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So you guys let me know which um, batch is suitable to you guys. 7 to 8 or
7 to 8.
8 to 9.
7 to 8.
7 to 8 is fine.
7 to 8. Surendra.
7 to 8. Salome, 7 to 8.
Yes, 7 to 8.
7 to 8.
Okay. Anyone opting for 8 to 9?
I want to enroll in 8 to 9.
Munjirin?
Yes.
8 to 9. So 8 to 9, which time zone you are in, Munjirin?
It's United States Central Time Zone, so it's gonna be
Central.
9.
So that will be 9:30 to 10:30 for you.
Yes.
So you are the only one. Anyone else?
I'm the only one. Okay.
Mm. Okay,
Rashid,
6 to 7. Six
sorry.
to 7. Guys, 6 to 7 will work for you. No one?
Rashid, is it okay if I let you know tomorrow, maybe today evening for this
Message me
8 to
on
9
WhatsApp.
batch? Yeah,
Message
sure.
me on WhatsApp
Yeah,
today itself.
yeah,
Because
definitely,
if
because
we don't get more people for 8 to 9, then I will not be able to do that batch. So I will stick with 7 to 8. Okay.
Kasif, if we are not getting anyone for 8 to 9, we can extend timing for this batch from 7 to 9 for the better coverage.
7 to 9. No, 7 to 9 will be 2 hours, right? Mm. We can extend a little bit, like 10-20 minutes maximum, in case we have question or some troubleshooting. That's okay, but not every day. Okay, guys. So I will send you this download links, which I have already sent it to you on the chat window. I will also send it to you on WhatsApp group. Okay. So download these files and keep it ready for tomorrow so that we will start building our virtual machine, and then we will create our Intune subscription to do the theory and practical together. Anyone has any question?
So Kasif, Karthik here. The Oracle VirtualBox seems to have some prereq application dependency there. The Visual C++.
Prerequisite.
Yeah,
Okay,
it
so in
is.
case if it is asking for prerequisite, in case, so you need to download Visual. What is asking? C++.
Visual C++
C.
redistributed.
Okay, so you need to download this Visual C++ 2019 redistributable. Okay, and then you click on this latest supported Visual C++ redistributable download, and then you need to scroll down, and if you have I think you have 64-bit operating system, so you need to download this one. Let me copy the link for this one too. Copy link address. So point number 3, in case Oracle installation requires this. So download these 3. Okay.
And do we need to install the Python bindings manually after installation of this VirtualBox because it is something we should set up
Python.
it later? Python bindings required set dependency for this.
Python. Why do we need Python?
I was trying to install this VirtualBox on my desktop. It was asking me to set up the Python binding later because it is a
No,
prereq
no,
for this VirtualBox.
not needed.
Okay.
Not needed.
So let me try to install it again, and if I face any issues,
Yeah,
I'll let
if
you
you
know.
face any issue, you send me the screenshot on WhatsApp. I will take a look.
Thanks, Kushik.
Any question from anyone before we
We
wrap?
can have second batch at 8:30 to 9:30.
8:30 to 9:30, but depends on people. So if
Can
I
join.
will, if I'm not getting counts, then I will not be able to
Is
start
it
that batch.
okay to what was that girl? Monjirino. 1 hour later than 9 to 8 to 9.
What time you say it? 8:30 to 9:30?
Yep.
It's gonna be like 10 to 11 for me. It's a little bit late, but yeah, it's okay.
Okay, guys. Any other question from anyone?
Kasip, can we use VMware Workstation instead of Oracle VirtualBox?
You can. You can use Hyper-V, you can use Oracle VirtualBox or VMware Workstation. Why I don't recommend VMware Workstation? Because it needs license, and that is only for 30 days. I mean, if you go for the free trial one. So either you purchase or use it only for 30 days, but this one is free of cost, Oracle VirtualBox. You don't have to take license for this.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any other question from anyone before we wrap it up?
The way of applying policies on all the virtual machines will be same, like if it will be of Oracle or VM or anything.
Yes, either one machine or 100 or 100,000 machines. It, it is the same concept. The only thing is, in the group, we will have only one machine, but in production environment, you will have more than one machine, like let's say 4,000 machine or 5,000 machines. So you will have a group of 5,000 machines. You can deploy policies on them. Similarly, we will deploy policies in the um, test environment to only one machine. So it will be the same concept, either one machine or more than one machine. Got it?
Thank you.
Okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah,
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks. Thanks
Thank
again,
you.
brother.
Bye, everyone.